The idea of the occult sciences developed in the 16th century. The term occult sciences generally includes three types of practices and disciplines, which are astrology, alchemy, and natural magic and divination. Astrology comes from the Latin word astrologia, which roughly means the study of the stars. Astrology is basically the interpretation of human events through celestial movements and patterns. This includes the 12 signs of the zodiac, which are Aries the ram, Taurus the bull, Gemini the twins, Cancer the crab, Leo the lion, Virgo the maiden, Libra the scales, Scorpio the scorpion, Sagittarius the centaur, Archer, Capricorn the goat, Aquarius the water bearer, and Pisces the fish. Next, we have the practice of alchemy. Alchemy is an ancient branch of natural philosophy and scientific study and experimentation. Alchemists attempt to purify, mature, and perfect certain materials, substances, and energies through measured mixtures and concoctions. Alchemy comes in many forms, from chemical alchemy all the way to sex alchemy. Alchemy is the origin of modern chemistry and the purest form of scientific occultism. It is more than esoteric belief and is far-reaching into many accepted forms of modern scientific study. The final discipline is natural magic and divination, which are sometimes separated into two different categories: natural magic and divination. Natural magic and divination include forms of occultism revolving around spell work and manipulation of natural energies through rituals and different ingredients of things and actions. Tarot, palm reading, sex magic, witchcraft, black magic, white magic, etc., all fall underneath this category. These acts can come in the form of ritualistic gatherings or individual prayer work. It would fall under this category if the aim of the ritual or prayer were to create an outcome in reality or discover a truth of the past, present, or future. These disciplines can overlap, but are separate practices, with some practitioners of one discipline completely disregarding the others as being illegitimate. The word occult comes from the Latin word occultus, which translates as clandestine, hidden, or secret. This serves the idea of the many practices well, as much of the knowledge around the occult sciences has been lost due to centuries of occult groups being forced into isolation and secrecy. Some of the cruelest acts of torture and mass murder have been carried out against practitioners, groups, religions, and sects of the occult throughout history. Fear has always been the weapon used to prevent the spread of knowledge and practice of occultism, with the worst atrocities done during witch hunts or inquisitions of the last 400 years. Did you know that some of the world's most renowned and greatest scientific minds were ardent and passionate occultists? These scientists include Sir Isaac Newton, Nikola Tesla, Leonardo da Vinci, Jack Parsons, NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab founder, Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, Wernher von Braun, Carl Jung, and many more. Seances became one of the most popular forms of occultism in the first half of the 20th century. The social elite would hold seances like parties for the brave, wealthy few. Today, the occult is facing a resurgence in many circles of society, with more people than ever before stating that they are openly practicing some form of